Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Allen County, Indiana, northern Huntington County, Indiana, northern Wells County, Indiana, southwestern Whitley County, Indiana, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near South Whitley and moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Huntington, Ossian, Markle, Luther, Washington Center, Gobelsville, Bowerstown, Roanoke, Mitten, Zanesville, Rockford, Uniondale, Kingsland, North Oaks, and Murray. This includes Interstate 469 between mile markers 3 and 8. This includes Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 283 and 297. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Allen, Huntington, Wells, and Whitley.